A tenant gets 4 sacks of palay for every 7 sacks harvested. Following this ratio, how many sacks of palay would the tenant get if 560 sacks were harvested? So para madali ito, gawan muna natin ng table. So we have 4 sacks of palay, 4 sacks, P na lang for palay, for 7 sacks harvested. So 7 sacks harvested. Following this ratio, how many sacks of palay would the tenant get if 560 sacks were harvested? So 560, this is N. Okay, so this is a direct variation or simply a ratio and proportion lang ito. Since kapag dumami itong 7, naging 560, dumami yung harvested, syempre, yung palay na makukuha ay increasing din, dadami din. So therefore, direct variation. So pwedeng gamitan natin dito yung madaling way, yung ratio rotation. Pwedeng i-divide lang natin ito. Divide, 560 divided by 7. So 56 divided by 7, 8 lang yan. So lagyan lang natin ng 0. So therefore, 80. So ito yung ratio rotation, paikot lang yan. Ayan. So dito, divide. Tapos dito naman sa kabila, multiply. Para makuha natin yung value ng N. So 80 times 4, 8 times 4, that is 32. Lagyan lang natin ng 0. So therefore, 320. So the correct answer is letter C. Or i-set up